Benidorm's famous for its mobility scooters, and I'm here on holiday for a week. I'm not tempted to get a mobility scooter, but what I am tempted about is actually getting on one of these quad bikes. So this afternoon, both James and myself have decided that we're actually going to hire one of these and go up to the mountains behind for an hour and just experience some of the thrills that it actually offers. So this is the quad bike that we're actually taking here. It's a Yamaha quad bike, 4 wheels. James will be on the back here, and he's a little bit nervous actually. You have to show your driving license, so you can't just rock up here and automatically get onto one of these. You actually have to book it and bring your driving license, and there are particular sort of specifications that it asks for when you're actually booking the quad bike itself, so I can't wait to actually go on it.
For an extra €10, we were given the option of taking out extra insurance for the quad bike.
If you're doing the buggy tour, you don't need to have to wear one of these. It's boiling hot today. I've got a sweaty head. How's your helmet, James? Moist.
Okay, the action on. Take it here. You don't need to put. Go and follow me. But disconnect there.
I've never ever been on a quad bike before. I have no idea how to actually work one, and we were given a quick overview on actually how to actually use the vehicle.
Normally for each excursion we go in high, slowly to short.
Like with all vehicles, quad bikes need fuel, and this quad bike needed to be refueled. What I didn't realise, however, is they were going to tip the petrol straight between my legs.
Anyone fancy a cigarette?
Yeah, it's okay, it's enough. We don't go to Morocco.
Oh, James has got his arms round me, so we're all set ready on this quad. We're just waiting to go now. We've managed to wangle it so we get on a 2-hour quad bike journey. So we're going up to the mountain, which is a little bit behind us.
Hi guys. Hi.
After a shaky start, I bunny hopped up the hill.
The quad biking's gone awfully wrong. I've not able to stop the thing. I've fallen off it and I've got my foot trapped underneath the wheel. There's my foot. So anyway, the other group has now gone ahead on the tour. I'm boiling hot, scorching sun, and I feel like I'm in the middle of a desert. Luckily we've got some water here. I just want some ice packs and just to get the hell out of here really. I really haven't had enough.
I've ended up in a private hospital. So we took out some insurance with the quad bike company, and they were still waiting now, 3 hours later, for them to come forward with the insurance details. So my advice to anybody participating in anything abroad like this is to always ensure you have a policy document up front, so you know exactly have it emailed to you. Apparently my foot has a hairline fracture. He thinks it's a fracture, he's not sure, but I've got to go back on Monday and have it re-x-rayed again. Brilliant. You do hear a lot of stories about people getting into accidents when they're on holiday, when they're doing extreme sports. This is definitely going to be something I never want to do again. So if anyone ever asks me to do quad biking, I'm not doing it.